Hi Facebook family, I hope everybody had a spectacular Christmas yesterday. Today we are here though, back at it, trying to get these pets a beautiful home and a loving family. And today we have Malt. I'm going to turn the camera around here. Okay, Malt here is a very handsome 2-year-old Alaskan Husky mix. Now, Malt here is kind of the escape artist. So think of Shawshank Redemption. Malt can squeeze through a lot smaller holes than people think. And he's also super athletic and is known for jumping over 6-foot fences to get away. So a good family that Malt would probably do well in is an active family. He's going to take him hiking, take him running, kind of wear him out. Also maybe a family that he is the only dog, or possibly a family that already has other large breeds, because he doesn't, he tends to like to chase smaller animals. So unless you have a cat who enjoys a good game of tag and always enjoys being it, probably not the best family for Malt, just because Malt has a tendency to chase smaller animals. So if you're looking to possibly adopting a Alaskan Husky mix, Malt here at 2 years old and 55 pounds, would make a great candidate. He is absolutely a sweet boy, and like I said, we're trying to get him a home in time for the new year. So again, if you're looking and kind of thinking about adopting a new pet, then consider Malt. Malt's going to be making his appearance here. We're here at the Fox13 studios now, so at about 11:55 he'll be live on television, so you can check him out there on Fox13 as well. So if you're thinking of adopting someone, or know someone who is adopting an Alaskan Husky, or know someone who is, definitely check out Malt. All right, thanks guys.